Substances can change form without a chemical reaction in physical processes like freezing and boiling. Freezing occurs when a liquid substance changes form and becomes a solid. Here, we will demonstrate the freezing process by placing a cup of water in the freezer. The freezer removes heat from the water and makes the molecules of water slow down. Eventually, the molecules of water will take on a fixed position and become a solid. We call this solid ice. Of course, you have probably experienced the physical process of freezing. Just remember that freezing is a process where a liquid changes form and becomes a solid without a chemical reaction. Let's take a look at another example of freezing. Here, we will pour molten wax into a beaker of ice-cold water. The liquid wax particles are loosely connected as they flow from the candle to the beaker. However, the instant the molten wax molecules make contact with the ice-cold water, they begin to slow down and take on a fixed position. After a few seconds, the liquid wax turns to a solid. Remember, no chemical reaction occurred as the liquid wax turned to a solid. Another physical process you should know is boiling. Boiling occurs when a liquid changes form and becomes a gas after the liquid reaches its boiling point. Again, no chemical reaction occurs during boiling. When water is heated, the liquid molecules begin to move very fast. Eventually, these molecules of water move independently of one another and become gas particles. The water in the pan did not disappear. It just changed its form from a liquid state to a gas state.